What's good? What's good? Welcome back to Invest and Trade with Jax. We're going to go over Ethereum. Currently sitting at 1623. We're sitting at a market cap of 196 billion. We're down 3.11 on the day. And we're sitting at 24-hour volume, 15.35 billion. So let's hop into the charts. We're going to start here on the 1 hour time frame. So a couple of scenarios that I'm looking at. The first one is that we're going through an ABC correction, and we've completed a 5-wave move to the upside, completing a larger wave 1. And we're seeing a wave 2 pullback, and the minimum target is 1373, which is the 0.382. And the second scenario is that we still bounce off in between 1445 and about 1598. And that would be more confirmation that we're still putting in a 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 of the wave 5 of the larger wave 1. All right, guys. Personally, I think the ABC correction might be a little bit more likely, and we've completed a wave 1 to the upside, but we'll have to see what happens. We have a small head and shoulders pattern. Here's your left shoulder, here's your head, here's your right shoulder. So we can take a measurement. If we were to break down, could take Ethereum down here to about 1522. Now we could still potentially bounce from this yellow box, even if we come down to 1445 and put in a wave 3 of the wave 5. We'll have to see. If we come down, we lose this level of support about 1445. You can scroll back, you can see there's a little bit of support right here. I think that would be higher likelihood that we're putting in a larger wave 2 correction for Ethereum. So the two scenarios here is that the wave 1 isn't finished yet, and we're still going to see an extended wave 5 of the wave 1, or we're putting in an ABC correction that will bring us down to this yellow box in between 1158 and 1373, put in a larger wave 2 before seeing continuation to the upside. And the really bearish scenario is that we come down, we lose these lows, and we're still looking at a wave 5 to the downside. Personally, I do think this is a relief rally, as I've been mentioning here on the channel. We'll jump over to our next chart, which is here on the daily. So this is bullish consolidation. Currently, we're holding the support of this previous swing high. So if we were to bounce from this level, we do have a nice bull flag pattern. So if we do bounce, you can measure your flagpole, take it to your point of breakout, and that could take Ethereum all the way up to about 2061. That would be a massive breakout for ETH. But if we do come down and we start to lose this previous swing low, that would be higher likelihood that we're putting in a relief rally, and then we'll see continuation to the downside. Personally, I do think Ethereum could push up a little bit more here. If we do come all the way up to the golden ratio, about 2100, it will invalidate this as a wave 4. But what we might see here is Ethereum pushes a little bit up to the 0.5, a little bit higher, before seeing a 5th wave to the downside, which is the alternative wave count. We've come down wave 1, wave 2, your largest wave 3, wave 4 correction, and quite possibly a wave 5 to take you down in between about 500 and 640. And the bullish scenario is that we bottomed here. This was our wave 5 low, where we came down in a wave 1, wave 2 pullback. This was your wave 3, wave 4, wave 5. We have completed a 5-wave move to the upside, which is a bullish signal, but we are getting rejected by a major level of resistance. So if we do come up and break this cluster of resistance here, that would definitely be way more confirmation that the bottom is in for Ethereum. But even if we come down and we bounce off this yellow box in between 1158 and 1373, then that would also be confirmation if we start to bounce, come up and break this high, that the bottom is in. But personally, I do think there's one more wave down in the market. All right, guys, that's it for ETH. Just a quick little update. Watch that head and shoulders pattern. If that neckline is broken here, that's when you can start to come down a little bit. And that would bring you down to about 1524. But if we do bounce here, we break these highs, that would be more confirmation that we're going to come up, break this high, and put in a larger wave 3 of the wave 5 of the wave 1. All right, guys, that's it for ETH. Big shout out to the Discord, where we're making some juicy profits with our trade signals. These are all the open trades currently. All stop losses are at break even. But we recently locked in profits on Ethereum, a short and a long trade, as well as Gala. We locked in profits on Matic. So if you want my exact entries, exits, take profits for my spot trades, for my leverage trades, it's $25 a month. You can see the member profits as well and see how they're doing with the trade calls. And we have Also 2,000 members posting chart pattern, over 2,000 talking all things crypto. Only 25 USD a month. You can sign up through the Patreon link, and if you want to trade with me, you can sign up to Bybit. Check out my full length tutorial, $4,500 in bonuses. Quite the glare with these glasses. You can follow me on IG if you'd like to keep up with my personal life, and I'll see you in the next video. All right, much love. Take care.